So the problem is we're supposed to bind this bidirectionally and not unidirectionally. So bind bidirectional. Now that's going to fix it. So let's run it. As you can see, if I click on resizable, it's unresizable. If I click on full screen, you go to your full screen and back. So next is we want to bind the stage title, the text property of the stage title, to the text property of this text field. So how do we do that? Pretty straightforward also, just like the other bindings. So stage dot title property dot bind, so we're going to bind this title field dot text property. So let's run it. As you see, we have this here. So if I edit this and change this, the title property of the text field, of the stage, is also changing. Now what is left now is for us to be able to drag this from inside. Now if you notice this one, we can drag it from inside and also on the outside, but here we can only drag it from outside and not inside. So to be able to do that is also pretty straightforward. All we want to do is that whenever we click on the root, we want to get the position or the point of the mouse press event, because we'll press the mouse before we can drag. So once we get the position of the mouse press, so the position where the mouse pointer is when the press occurred. So how do we do that? Pretty easy. So root dot set on mouse pressed. So this is going to take in a mouse event me lambda expression. So don't forget to add your mouse event import. So now let's create two double variables to get the drag x and drag y. So if you want to get the position on the screen or the position in the stage, which is going to be the position on the screen minus the position of the stage, that is the x position of this mouse pointer minus the x position of the stage. So I think I just give you the dub, that's what we call it. So drag x is going to be me dot get screen x. So this is going to give us the position of the mouse pointer on the screen, and minus stage dot get x. So what this code does, local variables reference. So let's change this to final. Local variables must be final or effectively final. Okay, let's bring these variables here. Let's take them to the top. So yep. Nice. Okay. So what this line of code does is, now this me dot get screen x is going to get the point of the x position of the mouse pointer, when the mouse press event occurred, and subtract it from the stage dot get x. So all we are really doing is, let's say the mouse press occurred here, this point here, we're going to subtract from here the origin up to this place. Let's say that is 800, or let's say 1000, minus the stage's x position, which is from here up to here. So that's going to give us from here to here. I think if you've is it plot graphs, or yeah, plotting graphs, yeah, if you plotted a lot of graphs, you're going to understand this, but it's very easy to understand anyways. I think I've been saying that for a lot of things. Yeah, that's because they are easy. So we do the same thing for the y also. Get screen y minus stage dot get y. Who is texting me? So next is when it will drag the mouse, set mouse dragged. So similarly, this will also take a mouse event. So when we drag it, we want to set the stage's position, stage dot set x. So this will be me dot get screen x minus drag x, and the y drag. So let's run this. Now whenever we try to drag, now you see we're dragging it from both top and inside. So I think the program is complete now. Yes. So you can sell this program to whoever you want. I mean, Microsoft will be very happy to buy this, because I mean we sell it for millions of dollars. Promise, I trust. For you, it's a very flawless program. Okay, now I see one thing is that there is a space here. If you look at this one, there's a little space between the stage and the nodes, and this one is just glued to the side. So all we have to do is to give the VBox a layout, so which is the content. So content dot set layout x, so let's give it 10, and content dot set layout y, let's give it 10 also. And let's try to change the text color of one of these stage labels. So stage x dot set color. I hope I'm right. So color dot, let's make it blue. So no, not set color. Well, there's no set color. Okay, let's set fill. Oh, okay, set fill. Oh, let me see. Let's check. Let's look for it. So stage x dot set. So we set something. Set graphic. Set. I think set text color probably. Yes, set text fill. So let's say color dot blue. Yes, so let's run it. Now you can see we have shifted this to the right a little bit, and we've changed the color of the text. So you can just play around with the methods of the nodes to see the properties which you can edit and manipulate, and trust me, to be fun. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys later when we'll be building some more applications. Bye bye.